Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another video. So we are down back in Maypen with another video. We're at Clarendon Park, more specifically at Murray's Fish and Jerk Center, Fish and Jerk Hut. That's where we're at right now. I'll soon show you guys a better glimpse. Right here is becoming a very popular spot for persons traveling back and forth Mandeville and Kingston. Good quality jerk products, good quality jerk. If you have never stopped here before and passing this side, which is Clarendon Park toll gates, you know, on your way to or from Mandeville, it's definitely somewhere to check out. So it's Murray's Fish and Jerk Hut. It's not a video on them specifically, but I'll start in the video here. We'll drive from here down to the Juicy Beef down in Clarendon Park and just show you guys around this area as well. First of all, as usual, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free, so subscribe and join the Rush Raymore Reviews family, so you can see awesome contents like this. Remember to like the video. Remember to leave a comment. So probably you have been to Murray's before. Probably you have tried a jerk product over there. Share your thoughts, share your experience, and definitely share the video as well. So Murray's Fish and Jerk Hut, and then we'll take a drive down to Juicy Beef down Clarendon Park. So just show you guys a better shot. Let me line up a little better. Alright, so a little better shot for you guys. Alright, let me zoom in as well. Alright, so that's their entrance. That's Murray's Fish and Jerk Hut. Alright, so what we're gonna do, guys, we're just gonna take a drive now down to the Juicy Beef. They have a Juicy Beef football field down there as well. So just gonna take a look down at that area. And again, guys, share your experience, share your thoughts, share your comments if you have ever been to Murray's before. Alright, let's head for a drive. And remember, guys, one of the main aim in terms of getting more content on the channel, we also want to, you know, get a drone. So if you can contribute, if you want to contribute, then you can definitely do that through PayPal, and we have other banking information as well. To the right was also a well-established football field. We're Sporting Central Academy. Not sure how many of you guys remember Sporting Central from Clarendon. They were in the Premier League. So over to the right was their home field. I'm not sure how rundown that field is right now. I'm not sure if that field is still operational. And you know, the owner, probably you'd have heard the news, the owner of Murray's, you know, was taken out violently. He has done a lot of development and a lot of business move in Maypen, in and around Clarendon. No longer here. So this is Clarendon Park. This is a rest stop. You have Juicy Beef. You have different fruit vendors. You know, say if you're on a very long journey coming in from Kingston, Mandeville, you know, Mobile, then this is somewhere you can rest, stretch your legs a little bit. And then this is the head office for Juicy Beef as well. So that's their head office down in Clarendon Park. Alright, so as the Juicy Beef sign rightfully says, you know, rest stop and drive through. Yeah, so not a lot down this area, but what I try to do is to show you guys as much as I can. And then down here is a part that we don't hear of much. It's called the Empowerment Park. It's locked, and again, more than likely because of COVID. But I know they have a big reception area over there in terms of keeping like a banquet, keeping a wedding. So it's a garden feel to it, a garden setting, lot of plants, and then that building in the center that you can hardly see would be used for whether it's a wedding or whatever the case is. But it's not very popular because I hardly hear about it anyway. And then you also have a new plaza, which I'm going to show you guys a glimpse of. So I'm not sure what is over here, but it seems as if they are doing some renovation. So this is behind the Juicy Beef, the big Juicy Beef in Clarendon Park. Alright, so this plaza I'm going to show you guys now is relatively new. So they developed a gas station. Again, you're on a long journey, you need gas station at certain points like this, because you can't afford for gas to finish on the highway or, you know, somewhere where there's no gas station. So they have a service center. It's a 2-floor plaza. We see restaurant, we see Supreme Ventures, parking galore, can't run out of parking, and obviously quite a few empty shops, because this is not a very busy area. This is more of a stop and go area, so you know, you have to choose very carefully the type of business you probably put out here. Just showing you guys the area. And then that's Juicy Beef upstairs and downstairs. And then I guess they started another building here. Looks plaza-ish, but I'm not sure. Just giving you guys a closer look. Relatively new to complement the gas station. The video, Plaza de Brazier, very unique name. So we'll end the video here. Plaza de Bassier. I think that if that's the correct spelling, let me know, guys. If I pronounced it, sorry, if that's the correct pronunciation, let me know. If I pronounced it incorrectly, let me know as well. But it seems to be Plaza de Bassier, but let me know. So I'll end the video here, guys. I just want to show you guys a little bit around this area in Clarendon Park. We saw the Empowerment Park, we saw this relatively new plaza, then you have Juicy Beef, and we saw Murray's as well. So remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share the video. And again, if you want to donate or contribute, we have multiple options as well. So Clarendon Park, Clarendon. Leave your comment, guys. Definitely leave your comments.